Hello, my lovely students. I hope you are all doing great. This is Ms.Zryan, English teacher at Virginia School. Today, we have a language art lesson. We are talking about verbs. We're starting from page 8. As you know, we have studied verbs before, but we're just doing a quick review to remind you and to get ready for the next lesson, which is pronoun. So let's start with verb. What is a verb? Verbs are action words. They tell what happens in a sentence. They are action words. They tell what happens in a sentence. Without a verb, we don't know what's going on or what happens in the sentence. Look at this example. Jamal drops the ball. Jamal drops the ball. Which one is the verb? Which word is the verb? The verb is drop. As you see, the verb's color is yellow. Okay, all the verbs are, I have colored them in yellow. Drop is an action, which is a verb. Look at the picture in the right side. You see how to drop the ball. Let's look at another example. Mia laughs at the joke. Mia laughs at the joke. What is laughing? Laugh is an action, which is a verb, the verb of our sentence. Without the verb, we don't know what does Mia do. We don't know what is she doing. Look at the picture. You see this is the action of laughing. We have another example. Tess dances in her room. Look at Tess. Look at the picture. She is dancing. So what does Tess doing? She is dancing in her room. The word dance is an action word, which is the verb of our sentence. This was John climbs the tree in his yard. We use and climbing. John trims the tree in his yard. Okay, write this sentence. John trims the tree in his yard. His brother plays too. Which one of his brothers? We don't know. It only say his brother. We don't know which brother of him plays too. Okay, so brother is a common noun. It talks about all the brothers. We don't know the specific brother. We don't know the special one. So it's a common noun. Just write CN. Write CN for brother, which is meaning common noun. Number 4. Ty gave Eric his old mitt. Ty gave Eric his old mitt. Mitt is a noun. It's underlined. Is it special? Is it common or proper? Is mitt a proper noun or a common noun? It's a common noun because we don't know which one of the mitts. It only says mitt. Mitt is a common noun and it doesn't start with capital letter. So we write CN. CN, which means common noun. Very good. Number 5. They will go to a game at Blick Stadium. They will go to a game at Blick Stadium. Blick Stadium is underlined. This is the noun. Is it proper or common? Is it proper or common? It's a proper noun because it talks about a special place, which is the Blick Stadium. Blick Stadium is a special place. It starts with capital letter and we know the stadium, which is Blick Stadium. Okay, so number 5 is a proper noun. Number 5 is proper noun, just write P. Very good. Now let's go to page number 11. Circle the verb that completes each sentence. In each sentence, we have two verbs. Which one of them completes the sentence and the other one is not completing our sentence? So we will circle the one which completes the sentence. Number 1, Zach and Nora dropped or gave Aunt Carrie a treat. Do they drop her a treat or do they give her? They give her. So we will circle the verb gave. Zach and Nora gave Aunt Carrie a treat. Zach and Nora gave Aunt Carrie a treat. Number 2, they lost or they baked muffins. They lost or they baked muffins. We have to say they baked muffins. This is a complete sentence, but if we say they lost muffins, it doesn't make sense. So they baked muffins. We will circle the verb baked. Number 3, Zach ate or drew her a picture. Do we eat picture? No, we cannot eat pictures. We have to draw pictures, not eating them. Okay? Zach drew her a picture. So number 3, we say drew. Circle the verb drew. Number 4, Nora picked or threw a bunch of flowers. Do we throw flowers or we pick them? Of course we will pick them, not throwing them. So Nora picked a bunch of flowers. Picked is the verb of our sentence. Pick, circle the word picked. Very good. Number 5, Aunt Carrie sat or hugged Zach and Nora. Do we can we sit on someone? No, of course we cannot sit on them. Aunt Carrie hugged Zach and Nora. She doesn't sit on them. She hugged them. Okay? So Aunt Carrie hugged Zach and Nora. Circle the verb hug. Good job. Let's go to number 6. They rode or they hopped their bikes home. Do we ride bicycles or we hop them? We cannot hop them. We will ride them, okay? So they rode their bikes home. They rode their bikes home. Circle the verb rode. Excellent.